Hello students, in this video lecture we will discuss this example. Evaluate double integral over r x square y square upon x square plus y square dx dy, where r is annulus between these two concentric circles. So x square plus y square is equal to 4 and x square plus y square is equal to 9. Now let us denote given integral by I. So I is equal to double integral over r x square y square upon x square plus y square into dx dy. Now here region of integration is annulus, that is, let us look at this inner circle. So x square plus y square is equal to 4. See, here region of integration is region between two concentric circles, so it is better to transform this integral into polar coordinates. Now x square plus y square is equal to 4, that is r square is equal to 4. So this is the inner circle whose radius is 2, that is r is equal to 2. And second one, it is the circle whose radius is 3, as they have said x square plus y square is equal to 9. So this radius is 3. So this is the region of integration. This is region of integration. Now using polar transformations or polar coordinates, x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. So therefore I is equal to double integral over r x square y square, that is r square cos square theta into r square sin square theta upon x square plus y square, that is r square into bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta. So it is r square, and dx dy it is r dr d theta. See, remember that r dr d theta, it is the area element in polar transformations. Dx dy is always r dr d theta for polar transformations. Now what are the limits for r and what are the limits for theta? So you look at this diagram. So draw a line which passes through the origin. So let us consider this line which passes through the origin and intersect the given region. Now this line first intersect at this circle. So therefore r is equal to 2, that is the lower limit for r, and later on it intersect the given region to the outer circle. So therefore r is equal to 3, and theta, since move this line from theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to 2 pi. So for this complete region, theta changes from 0 to 2 pi. And now simplify this. So r square r raised to 4 r raised to 5 divided by r square. So it is r cube into sin square theta cos square theta dr d theta. Now here limits of r are constant, limits of theta are constant. Moreover, I can separate this function into what? Function of r into function of theta. So therefore I can separate this integral as r is equal to 2 to r is equal to 3 into r cube dr multiplied by theta changes from 0 to 2 pi sin square theta cos square theta into d theta. Now what is the integration of r cube? It is r raised to 4 by 4, so 1 by 4 r raised to 4, so upper limit, so 3 raised to 4 minus lower limit 2 raised to 4 into, now since here power of sin theta is even, power of cos theta is also even, so 0 to 2 pi, this integral, this can be written as 4 times integral 0 to pi by 2 sin theta raised to power 2 cos theta raised to power 2 into d theta. So is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 raised to 4, that is 81, minus 2 raised to 4, that is 16. So it is it is 65. So it is 65 divided by 4 into 4 into, now use the formula. There is a standard formula for this integral. So it is now I write the formula for this: integral 0 to pi by 2 sin theta raised to power m into cos theta raised to power n into d theta, where both m and n, they are positive integers. I write here m and both are even. So both are even. So value of this integral is m minus 1, m minus 3. So you continue up to what? 2 or 1 into second bracket n minus 1, n minus 3 up to 2 or 1 divided by m plus n minus 2, then m plus n minus 4. You continue up to what? 2 or 1 multiplied by pi by 2. Now for this integral, m is 2, n is 2. Okay, so m minus 1, that is 2 minus 1. I write here 1, then stop, either 2 or 1. So here is also 2. So 1 divided by m plus n, that is 4, then 2, right up to 2 or 1 into pi by 2. So simplify this, cancel this 4. So is equal to 65 pi divided by 16 divided by 16. So therefore I is equal to, that is value of given integral is equal to double integral over r x square y square upon x square plus y square dx dy. For the given annulus, it is 65 pi divided by 16. Okay, thank you.